Hi, I'm Russell, a GTM at Clippy. Welcome to my GTM automation guide. If you're running a lead generation agency, you know the pain of manually researching prospects and copying and pasting data across platforms. It's burning you hours that could be spent on closing deals instead. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps to get 1,000 verified local leads in just under 2 minutes. It'll only cost you $0.009 per lead. By the end of this video, you'll have a streamlined solution that saves your team hours daily and scales your lead generation effortlessly. So let's dive in. So here's how it works. All you need to do is provide three things: the number of leads, the type of leads you're searching for, and the location of those leads. So for my example, I'll type in 5 lead generation agencies in New York. Done. So I just did 5 just to make things a lot simpler, but you can go all the way up to 1,000. You can also be very specific in the location. You can type in the address and it will look for leads around the address, or you can go zoom out and just do the general like cities or states. Up to you. And it's done. And as you can see here, it executed properly. Now I'm going to show you how to set this up. The setup is simple. To get started, you first have to import the template file. All the resources will be provided in the description. Once imported, the whole workflow will appear. Then, click on the model and connect to your preferred chat model. I'm using GPT-4o. You can use 4.1 if you want to. Then, click on Scrape Google Maps. You first have to sign up to API. In API, subscribe to Google Maps with contact items, copy the URL from there, and paste it onto this over here. Then, click on this node, sign up to the Clippy CRM, create an API key, copy and paste the API key, and put it over here. Save it, then set the workflow to active. Head over to chat and copy the chat URL. Paste it, and now you have a workflow that automatically gives you up to 1,000 leads in just minutes. And that's it. If you're interested to learn more workflow automation like this one, subscribe to our newsletter. See you in the next one.